Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up T-Mobile Mesh Access Point. So it's very easy to do it. Of course, you'll need to know first of all that a mesh access point works only if you already have a T-Mobile home internet gateway. It's basically just extend your Wi-Fi. It does not replace the main router. So a mesh access point basically what it does, it just expands the Wi-Fi coverage. And of course, it also fixes weak signal areas and it keeps the same Wi-Fi name across the whole house. So if you have a big house with multiple floors and multiple rooms, you would like to set up some mesh points, not only the router, because the router alone will not be able to give the signals to the whole house. So as an example, you may want to have at least a mesh router between or inside each floor, or an example, maybe between two rooms if you have big rooms, and etc. So to set it up, basically all you need to do, just plug the mesh device into the power, and of course you would like to place it near your main gateway for first of all to set it up first, and wait for some light to turn on and start blinking as an example. Once you do that, you'll have to set it up first through the T-Mobile Internet application. So basically, you will find like an app like this, and you'll have to choose which gateway do you have, and then you will go through the setup experience, and of course, you will see everything on your application. So if you don't have the T-Mobile Internet app downloaded, make sure to download it and make sure to log in and tap on add a device or add a mesh node. Then you'll basically have to pair the mesh node, and the app normally should detect the node automatically. So finish the setup in your phone, and then you'll have to wait until the setup completes by itself. And this should link it to your main router. So once it's linked to your main router, all you need to do just move it to a midpoint, not too far from the router and not too close. It's basically ideal some halfway between the router and some weak area. So there are some guides to follow if you want to put like a mesh access point. So this is here a placement guide, like never put it behind the TV, centrally high up, clear of obstacles, and wall mounts are good, works around larger obstacles, and preferably in a triangle formation. Also on the setup on your phone, you should find how to place your node there. They should explain briefly how to do it. So once you're done with that, you can just go and walk around your home, check the signal strength, and make sure the Wi-Fi is stronger in weak areas with your node. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.